Hi. We're going to unbox the two Xbox One console exclusives games for kids. Rush and Disneyland. Alright, featuring Phoenix. Let's go. Pegasus, stop it. Alright.
So I'm gonna start with this one.
Just a little bit. Ooh. Wow. Phoenix. Okay.
That was a really small one. Whoa. There's some on my knee. So here's Rush.
Yeah.
Here's the back.
So with the Incredibles and then
The Ratatouille.
and
Finding
then
Dory. Up.
yeah.
And
Toy Story and Cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops, you haven't unboxed yet.
Oops.
Yeah.
Now
You know how to do it? Alright. That's it. No manual, no nothing.
no, they put the CD upside down.
Now it's you can spin it when you say okay. And,
That's true, but
there you
really, upside down.
Alright. And now it's Disneyland Adventures. See at the back. Alright, let's just unbox it.
Hello.
Hi.
So this is me, Vegas, and reading unboxing. Alright, there we go. Here's the front, the side, and the back.
What's this side? Yeah.
Now
All
let's
right.
open the inside. Okay, there we go. Okay, put it sideways.
Alright. That's it. That's a quick unboxing of two Xbox One console exclusives games, The Rush and Disneyland. Alright.